This is what you're going to do if you want to change the Favicon Hostinger. First, you're going to log in to your hpanel.hostinger.com, and then from here, you're going to click on websites. From the websites menu, you're going to click on the shop that you want to change the favicon of. So we're just going to click on edit website right here, where it's going to take us to the website builder. So from the website builder, all we have to do is we have to look over to the toolbar right here at the left side of the screen. We're just going to wait for this page to load, and then when you finally see it, you're just going to click on more right here and then click on general settings. Now from the general settings, you will usually see here your website's favicon. So all you have to do is to upload your image. Just click on the favicon section and then upload your image, and that's it. That is how you can change your website's favicon in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.